A new high on the Nifty, and the ring of a new high is always music to investors here. So it's a print, but let's mention it, let's acknowledge it. It's the breakout on the Nifty is now real. We were debating this on Tuesday, that will the Nifty break out, will the Nifty crack out of the glass ceiling? It needed that extra push, and gains come sometimes from unexpected pockets, and that unexpected pocket today has to be FMCG. Yes, FMCG, HUL. Who would have thought HUL would be adding to the market zinc? And on your screen is Nifty, which is up 61 points. Now it's a flat start. Bear in mind, it's a flat start. It's not like we started a new series and someone has come out in the first trade and is hammering the market down. Given where we were at 9,500, 4 points off on the first count, I think is very, very reasonable. For the bank Nifty, which really did the trick for Indian markets yesterday, the first rates are in the positive, and that's impressive. Okay, I'm going to address first all the newsmakers one by one. You want to start with Cipla, because Cipla came out with pathetic and very poor set of numbers. Liberty Shoes came out with very bad set of numbers. Subex numbers were not anything great to go by. It's a very large liquid stock if you talk about Subex, and the result reaction is already down by about 3%. Strong numbers, not a lot of them. Container Corporation, because of that base effect, numbers were strong. Balkishan Industries, they continue to surprise us. Today we'll hear from ITC, we'll hear from Sun Pharma, we'll hear from ONGC. ITC numbers normally come during the market hour. Sun Pharma and ONGC numbers normally come during post market hour. So a lot of result reaction will be there only on Monday. But ahead of numbers, Tech Mahindra also is looking flat, down by about 2 rupees.
Okay, look at Asian Paints holding higher, Dr. Reddy's holding higher, ITC holding higher ahead of numbers. Among losers, IOC, Cipla 2.5% down, Lupin down about 1%, Sun Pharma down about 1%. I think the underperformance for the pharma space continues. From the broader markets, need to highlight some names. There's a Concor which is up 3%. We were talking about this earlier on, before markets opened too. A good move coming in on Concor. Ashok Leyland on the back of numbers, 2.5% higher as we speak. CG Power, which was also a recommendation, 2.5% higher there. There's been a fair amount of traction in the paints business. Berger Paints is seeing some traction as well. Dredging Corp is higher as we speak. So these are some of the names which are liquid and seeing traction. Among the losers, Britannia is down about 1%. Mubina was saying that the numbers were a mixed bag, and I think that's what's bringing the stock down. Heritage Foods is down about 2.5%. Aptech, Adani Power, Bajaj Electricals, Cadila Health. These are some of the stocks which are at the opening point a bit weaker. But that just summarizes the market trend as well. It's looking quite flattish at the start at least.
A new high on the Nifty, and the ring of a new high is always music to investors here. So it's a print, but let's mention it, let's acknowledge it. It's the breakout on the Nifty is now real. We were debating this on Tuesday, that will the Nifty break out, will the Nifty crack out of the glass ceiling? It needed that extra push, and gains come sometimes from unexpected pockets, and that unexpected pocket today has to be FMCG. Yes, FMCG, HUL. Who would have thought HUL would be adding to the market zinc? And on your screen is Nifty, which is up 61 points.